Hi friends, Flavio here. So one of the words that we hear a lot about in our culture is this word balance. Everybody's looking for balance. What we mean by balance is that our personal development has to be about this at about the same level in every area of our lives. Think about it this way. Suppose a person tells you, I'm a very successful professional, but my home life sucks. Imagine that situation. There's no balance there. They don't feel equally happy in their home life as they do in their professional life. Or look at the other way around. Person says, I have a great home life, I have a great family, but I can't make a living. That's not balance. So here you have an example of two categories, professional life, home life, right? But in reality, if you really pay attention to your life, we have many categories. For instance, your physical fitness, that's one category. Then we have things like, finances, retirement planning, whatever. So you can actually make a list and you're going to find 6, 7 areas of your life that are really important for you. We all tend to work on what comes easy to us. We all tend to become better at what we're good at. And we all tend to ignore what we're not good at. And that is a recipe for lack of balance. In other words, we keep on developing that which comes easy to us, and we keep on neglecting that which is a challenge for us. If you agree with me on this, that that's what tends to happen to most people, you can see the value of taking one entire day just for yourself, where we're going to work in a very specific way, in a very fun way. Nonetheless, we're going to work on every area of your life so that we can unblock whatever emotional issues may have been preventing you from becoming your best in that particular area. Now, all of you are going to have some areas that you might say, well, this doesn't quite pertain to me because I got this covered. I know. Even those of you who have these areas covered are going to have a great time in those segments of the program because you're going to discover new things and new ways to look at it and new ways of making it even better. But you're also going to discover that there's an area of your life that is actually calling for attention from you because it's time it improves so that you become more balanced. So what we do at Life Mastery Academy is exactly this. We get together an entire day. It's a whole day event. It's one day that you deserve. And quite frankly, those around you, your family, your coworkers, deserve it too because you're going to be a better human being. You're going to be better at everything that you do by you becoming a better person. So I'm inviting you to take an entire day for yourself, an entire day to become something closer to your own ideal of who you are. Join us for the very next meeting and look up the dates down here and you're going to see that you can join us. You're going to work on these ideas and you're going to develop a better life. You're going to have a better year. You're going to have a more productive year all around. Thank you.